Okay, we're looking at the chart plotter screen just as we're leaving Crean's Ledge Light. And again, the black triangle is depicting the position of the vessel, and the course line is provided right on the screen, this line here. And we've also got some data boxes up here. Let's zoom in and see what those data boxes are telling us. Okay, we have our bearing. That's the compass heading to get to our waypoint, and that is 186 degrees magnetic. Our track, that's the actual course that we're steering, and in this case, we're right on course at 186 magnetic. We want the track to match the bearing, means we're right on course. Distance, at this position, we're 6.8 miles away. Our boat speed right now is 22 knots. The time to go at this speed is 18 minutes, and our cross-track error is 0 miles. The cross-track error is how far we are off of our course line, and right now we're right on course. It's also nice to see that our bearing and our distance from our starting point matches exactly what we got when we plotted this out on the chart. So that gives you confidence that your GPS and your chart work are consistent.